Hey guys, what's up? My name is Matt and I'm just a dude, and if you have a 4-door Samsung refrigerator like this, then you need to watch this video. Now these Samsung refrigerators are notorious for the ice maker freezing up and not making ice. So if this has ever happened to you, then the next thing you need to do is check the ice maker. So once you open up the left door of the refrigerator, the ice maker is located right here to the top left of the refrigerator. So all you gotta do is there's a little handle underneath here. You just pull it out. And there's no ice in there. Now this is the handle I was talking about. You just kind of grab it and you pull it out. Now, if you try to do that, if you try to pull out your ice maker or your ice maker tray and it doesn't come out, then don't force it out. Don't yank on it. The next thing you want to do is close the door. Okay. So if we can't pull the ice tray out of the ice maker easily, we're going to hit these two buttons right here, freezer and lighting, simultaneously for about 8 seconds. And the screen should go blank. Now once the screen goes blank, we're going to hit any button and we're going to keep hitting the buttons until we get FD, which means Forced Defrost. And it's going to beep for about 20 minutes. And what this is doing is it's using the heating element inside of the freezer to get rid of all the frost that's in it. So now we've let the refrigerator go through its forced defrost mode. So we're going to open the door, go to our ice maker, grab it from underneath, and pull it out. And we're going to set it off to the side. We're going to take a look inside the ice maker. Now that's the problem right there. Do you see all those ice cubes in there? So all of those ice cubes didn't fall like they were supposed to into the ice tray, and that's what's clogging up more ice getting made. So to fix this, we're going to take a hairdryer and put it on low setting and just blow it in there like this. Let me show you. Alright, so we're just going to take our hairdryer, we're going to turn it on to a low setting, and we're going to hold it about 8 inches away from being inside of the ice maker. And we're going to do this so we don't have it being too hot and inside, and we're going to be able to allow the water to drain out. Now you might want to take a towel and put it on the bottom here because the water is going to drain out and drip, and you want to catch it. So it could take a little while to do this, especially with how much ice or how much frost you have built up in there. But once you get it going, it'll fall off in big chunks like this. Alright, so we got all the ice out, and I put the towel inside the ice maker just so it would catch the water and not have a big mess. So we're just going to pull it out, try and catch all the ice pieces, and just put it in the sink. So now that this is cleaned out, make sure we get all these pieces out. Now we're just going to take the ice tray, slide it back in. Now sometimes it won't align or it'll be hard to put in, and what's going on is this ice maker got a little turntable in it, and there's a metal bracket in the back that it sits in. So if it doesn't go in like that's hard to put in, just move it around a little bit until those gears line up and it will push right in. Now this thing should start making ice again. And that's how we fixed an ice maker on a Samsung 4-door refrigerator. If this video helped you out, if you'd like the video, subscribe. That would really help out the channel. See you guys next time, and remember, if it ain't broke, I'll fix it so no one else can.